One.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
To everyone, today international and national news is brought to you by VIII of Grade Jasper. International news. China sees unprecedented protests against COVID. Youth has cases rise. National news. Restoration of Mumbai's 100-year-old museum wins UNESCO award. Thank you. State and sport news will be continued by my friend.
Everyone, today's state and sports news is brought to you by VIII of VIII Jasper. State news. Telangana issues orders to fulfill 900 Group 4 sports. State sports news. India created Guinness World Record for highest attendance in T20 match. Thank you. Weather report will be continued by my friend Vamshi.
Good morning to everyone. Today weather report is brought to you by Vamshi Krishna of Grade Jasper. Today weather report. Minimum temperature 17 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius. Partly cloudy. Thank you. Today wonderful day. My friend will continue. Start.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Empavisha of Grade Jasper. Thought. If you can't do great things, do small things in great ways. I will repeat my thought. If you can't do great things, do small things in great ways. Thank you. Have a nice day. Next my friend will continue word.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Meenakshi of Grade Jasper. Word. Stupendous. Its adjective, it means extremely impressive. Friends, please spell after me. S-T-U P-E-N D-O U-S Stupendous. Thank you.
And VIII is brought to you by Vanilla of Grade Jasper. To honor the act of bravery and sacrifice of the officers or personnel of the armed forces, other lawfully constituted forces and civilians, gallantry awards are announced twice in a year. First on the occasion of the Republic Day and then on the occasion of Independence Day. In order to disseminate the details of the bravery acts and the life stories of these brave hearts among the students, it has been proposed by the Ministry of Defence that school students may be motivated to do projects or activities based on the gallantry award winners. After the overwhelming response and success of VIII Edition 1, the Ministry of Defence, in coordination with Ministry of Education, has now decided to launch Project VIII 2.0, which is proposed to be culminated with the prize distribution ceremony in January 2023. As per last edition, the project will be open for all the schools in all states and union territories. As part of this project, the students can again frame different projects on the gallantry award winners. Interdisciplinary and art integrated activities like poem, essay, story, painting or drawing videos would be considered as project activities. The best project will be rewarded nationally by MOD on the forthcoming Republic Day. The submission by the students can be made in any of the 22 scheduled languages and English. Thank you.
Gallantry Awards are brought to you by P. Charishma Reddy of Grade Jasper. Gallantry Awards. Gallantry Awards have been instituted by the Government of India to honor the acts of bravery and sacrifice of the officers, personnel of the armed forces, other lawfully constituted of forces and civilians. These gallantry awards are announced twice in a year, first on the occasion of the Republic Day and on the occasion of the Independence Day. Types of gallantry awards. Gallantry in the force of enemy. Gallantry other than in the face of enemy. First category of gallantry awards comprises of the following awards: Paramvir Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Vir Chakra. Second category of gallantry awards comprises of the following awards: Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra, Shaurya Chakra. Post-independence, first three gallantry awards, namely the Paramvir Chakra, the Mahavir Chakra and the Vir Chakra, were instituted by the Government of India on 26 January 1950, which were deemed to have effected from the 15th August 1947. Thereafter, other three gallantry awards, the Ashok Chakra Class 1, the Ashok Chakra Class 2 and the Ashok Chakra Class 3, were instituted by the Government of India on 4th January 1952, which were deemed to have effect from the 15th August 1947. These awards were renamed as the Ashok Chakra, the Kirti Chakra and the Shaurya Chakra, respectively in January 1967. Next, my friend Atulit will continue about Paramvir Chakra. Thank you.
A very good morning to everyone. Today's topic on Paramvir Chakra medal is brought to you by R. Athlete Reddy from Grade 8 Jasper. Paramvir Chakra medal, circular in shape, made up of bronze, 1 and 3/8 inches in diameter, and shall have embossed on the upper four replicas of Indra's Vajra, with a state emblem embossed in the center on its reserve. It shall have embossed Paramvir Chakra, both in Hindi and in English, with the two lotus flowers between the Hindi and the English inspirations. Ribbon, plain purple color ribbon. Thank you and have a great day.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's article on Mahavir Chakra medal is brought to you by Emima from Grade 8 Jasper. Mahavir Chakra is circular in shape and standard silver, 1 and 8 inches in diameter, and shall have embossed on the upwards a 5-pointed star with the points of star just touching the rim. The star shall have in the center a doomed gilded state emblem. On the reverse, it shall have embossed Mahavir Chakra, both in Hindi and in English, with two lotus flowers between the Hindi and English inscriptions. Ribbon. The ribbon is of a half white and half orange color. Thank you, my friend. Next, my friend will continue article on Veer Chakra.
Hello everyone. Today article on Veer Chakra medal is brought to you by Nitra from Grade 8 Jasper. Veer Chakra medal, circular in shape and of standard silver, 1 and 3/8 inches in diameter, and shall have embossed on the above a 5-pointed hydraulic star with the points of the star just touching the rim. The star shall have in the center a chakra, and within the chakra shall a domed centerpiece bearing the gilded state emblem. On the reverse, it shall have embossed Veer Chakra both in Hindi and English, with the two lotus flowers between the Hindi and English inscriptions. Ribbon. The ribbon is half blue and half orange in color. Next, my friend Gayatri will continue Ashoka Chakra medal. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Today's article on Ashoka Chakra medal is brought to you by Gayatri of Grade 8 Jasper. Circular in shape, 1 and 3/8 inches in diameter, with rims on both sides. The medal shall be of gold gilt. On the obverse of the medal shall be embossed a replica of Ashoka Chakra in the center, surrounded by a lotus flowers. Along the rim on the inner side shall be embossed the words Ashoka Chakra, both in Hindi and English, the two versions being separated by the lotus flowers. Ribbon. Green color ribbon divided into two equal segments by an orange vertical line. Next, my friend Sanyal will be continuing. Thank you.
Morning everyone. Today article on Kirti Chakra medal is brought to you by Sanyal Reddy of Grade 8 Jasper. Circular in shape and of standard silver, 1 and 3/8 inches in diameter, with rims on both sides. On the obverse of medal shall be embossed a replica of Ashoka Chakra in center, surrounded by a lotus bit. Along the rim, on the inner side shall be a pattern of lotus leaves, flowers and buds. On its reverse shall be embossed the word Kirti Chakra on both Hindi and English, the two versions being separated by lotus flower. Ribbon. Green color ribbon divided into 3 equal parts by two orange vertical lines. Thank you.
This topic on Shaurya Chakra medal is brought to you by Shashank Teja of Grade 8 Jasper. Circular in shape and made of bronze, 1 and 3/8 inches in diameter, with rims on both sides. On the obverse of the medal shall be embossed in replica of Ashoka Chakra in the center, surrounded by a lotus wreath along the rim. On the inner side shall be pattern of lotus leaves, flowers and birds. On its reverse shall be embossed the words Shaurya Chakra, but both in Hindi and English. The two versions being separated by lotus flowers. Ribbon, green color ribbon, divided into 4 equal parts by 3 vertical lines. Thank you.